This A-frame chalet is located in Ontario, right on the French River, just a few hours from Toronto. Heading inside, you'll see a nice greeting sign by the host and have the first bedroom on your left. It is extremely comfortable and very dark, which is perfect for sleeping. To the right is the bathroom, which is incredible. It has these smart mirrors, which are really cool, and a very nice modern shower. Heading into the main living space, you'll see a beautiful orange electric fireplace and a big couch as well as a TV. There are lots of games, books, and even a record player and a speaker for you to enjoy as well. The dining area has a large wood table, and the host kindly left some goodies for us, which is really appreciated and really considerate. There's also a bar corner, great for mixing drinks. The kitchen is completely modern and has everything you'll need to cook full meals. I thought that the teal appliances looked really great in this cabin. Moving upstairs, there are 3 more beds perfect for kids or a group of friends, and a swinging chair and also a desk. There's natural light all day long thanks to the large A-shaped windows. Back outside, there are some great hangout areas with lounge chairs, Adirondack chairs, and a table. There's also a barbecue, a fireplace, a hot tub, and the shed even has some outdoor toys for you to use as well. Heading down the steps to the river now, you'll see they have a massive dock, some lounge chairs. They even include a paddleboard, a kayak, and a 2-person canoe in your rental. And there is a shed with all the equipment you'll need and even a place to gut fish if you want. And if you plan on fishing here, you will probably have lots of success, as we caught nearly every species you can find in Ontario except for trout, but apparently they are in this river. We even caught a jackfish or a baby pike, and a 4-foot roughly muskellunge came and took it right off my line. It was only captured on an iPhone, so the video isn't great, but still really neat to see and kind of a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We also caught lots of other types of fish from morning until night. Overall, I cannot recommend this cabin enough.